divisions. Political divisions of Australia. First, let's see that Australia is one of the most powerful urbanized country of the world. About 85% of Australian population urbanized, and Canberra is the capital of Australia. So politically Australia is divided into 6 states and 2 federal territories. So those are, I'm saying you will listen, that is state territories and their capital. Altogether I'm saying, first is Queensland, capital Brisbane; New South Wales, capital Sydney; Victoria, capital Melbourne; South Australia, capital Adelaide; Western Australia, capital Perth; Tasmania, capital Hobart. These are the state territories. Now, federal territories, that is Northern Territory, capital Darwin; Australia capital, that is Canberra, already I have told you, and territory is capital of Australia. Now, we are coming the physical features of Australia. Australia has a huge variety of physical features, but it does not have high mountains. Mountains it is having, but not high mountains, large rivers and deep valleys. The physical features of Australia can be divided into some divisions. That one I am saying you, that is 6 divisions are there. Number 1, Great Barrier Reef. Number 2, Eastern Highlands. Number 3, the Rift Valley of Australia. Number 4, the Great Artesian Basin. Number 5th one, the Central Lowlands. And number 6, the Western Plateau. So today in short, I will discuss about the Great Barrier Reef first. The Great Barrier Reef is a vast coral reef found along the northeastern coast of Australia. It is known as the coral reef, means Great Barrier Reef. It is the largest coral reef system of the world. It is composed about 3,000 individual reefs and 900 islands. The Great Barrier Reef of Australia is a World Heritage Site also. It is one of the largest heritage area in the world. It expands over an area of 35 million hectares. It provides a rich ecosystem with more than 200 species of birds, then 4,000 types of molluscs and 1,500 species of fish. The large part of reef is protected by Great Barrier Reef Marine Park, and the Great Barrier Reef is also a significant tourist attraction of Australia. Next I will discuss about the Eastern Highlands. The Eastern Highlands extend from Cape York Peninsula in the northeast of Australia to the southern coast of Tasmania. It is the highlands. These highlands are often known as the Great Dividing Range. You have already marked out that the Great Dividing Range. They are also called the Great Dividing Range because their slopes divide the water flow of the new rivers in the region. Means so many rivers are going. These east flowing rivers drain into the Pacific Ocean, while the west flowing rivers enter into the central lowlands. And they provide also that as their rivers, so they provide also the irrigation facility. Then the extreme southern part of Eastern Highlands is known as Australian Alps. It consists of a number of mountain ranges. Mount Kosciuszko is one of the highest peak of the Australia, that is 2,228 meter high, and the highlands have steep slope on the eastern side, while there is gentle slopes are there in the western side. So these highlands remain covered with snow throughout the winter, and many rivers originate from these highlands. So I am finishing my video, this physical features part 1, but Australia part second part. So here already that Great Barrier Reef and Eastern Highlands I have described. Next one, other physical features I will describe. So be with me. Hope that it will be helpful for you. Thank you everyone.